Hi there, this is George Kosch, I'm the CEO of Worldprofit. How can you make $1,000 as a silver or platinum VIP member? And also, how can you make a few bucks as an associate? I'm not going to leave you out, but there are 2 easy steps to do this. And I'm always challenged people, send comments in and say, show us how you use your system. In other words, as a member of your own system, how do you use your tools? And how do you do you work with all these other businesses, ClickBank, all these marketplaces. So I decided I'd do a little secret video, and this is a top secret project I did, and I did this on my spare time. It is winter here in Canada, so I have some time to do these things. And I thought, I'm going to make $1,000. I'll show you how. Using Worldprofit, silver or platinum, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to use a company called Leadsleep that works perfectly well with all of our stuff to generate two streams of income. The 1,000 I made over there in their business model, but using Worldprofit's technology and some really neat, basically secret stuff. Like, this is cool. And it's easy. That's the key. This is the easiest thing in the world to do. And if I could do it, believe me, you can. You're going to see how I did it. It's really cool. The first thing I'm going to ask you to do, though, is, and this is big, if you want to start making money, upgrade to silver or platinum. Log into your associate member area, get upgraded right away. There's some incredible bonuses always on, and get started that way. That's the easy way to do what I'm about to show you. Of course, you all want to see the $1,000. Let's just go. I'll log into my Leadsleep account. The way to get signed up too is it doesn't matter if you're an associate or a silver or platinum member. Log into your member area, and under the Goody Bag, you're going to see under the left-hand menu, it says Goody Bag. Just click on Top Traffic Exchanges. You'll see Leadsleep near the top. Okay, you can sign up, get a free account right away. That's it. You don't have to pay. And go from there. A bit about my background actually is I have no business experience before I started Worldprofit a long time ago. However, I was in the Air Force as a jet pilot, and so obviously I didn't know much about business either. I knew how to fly jets, and I got the bug to be an entrepreneur, and that's my history very quickly for you. But let's talk about how I made the money. First off, earnings. You can see I'm even on the earnings thing there. It's up a bit. It's above 1,000, but honestly, in the last 6 weeks, I had dabbled in this a couple months ago. I made, I don't know, $200. But then I really grinded it out. I said, I got challenged. I said, George, show me how dynamic your system is and how you keep telling them, oh, we support all the other programs. And we do. And this is me in another program. This has nothing to do with Worldprofit. I'm going to show you how this works with Worldprofit, and I just want you to follow these steps. They're extremely simple. You get signed up in Leadsleep. We're going to build the landing page. And the landing page has 2 things going. It's built with this technology here, but it works with our technology too. So in other words, you're going to build a landing page. When people sign up to it, they become Worldprofit associates. And they might upgrade to silver or platinum or by advertising, as all of you members know. But on the other side, Leadsleep has built these pages. Even though we're using them, you can also have people sign up for Leadsleep at the same time in 2 different ways. It's incredible. And it worked. Look at the money. And this is just from me posting safelists exchanges and things like that. Right away, when you log in, you can go down here. I urge you to upgrade in Leadsleep. It's awesome. It's a great deal. You click on the page manager, and you can see I've created another. You just go add new campaign. Your campaign will show up here, and then you just add a page. So I've already done that. It's a click. That's it. You can see there's nothing going on here. And there's a little thing that'll say click here to start designing. You just click. And you pick a design. I'm going to pick a really easy one. Boop. And wow, it's already done. You can change the wording on here. You can use Worldprofit's PLR Vault products and things to create images, bring them over. This is the editor over here on the right. There's lots of tutorials, but you can add things in here like you wouldn't believe. You can change these if you're familiar with Worldprofit's graphics studio. it operates the same premise, except we just build the graphic. Well, this builds you a landing page. And remember, WorldProfit has landing page builders galore. But this one's neat because now we can build 2 incomes. Okay, that's the secret here, and I'm going to show you that. This is really cool. So you picked a template. The next thing you do is over here on the left, it says important. Click now. We want to choose a list manager. Well, we're a third party, right? We're not going to use theirs. We're going to use our own because we want to build associates. And it's going to ask you for an action, a method, a target. And don't worry, you don't need to know anything. This is very straightforward. It's all in your member area under website management. I've created an area specifically for this. If you go to website management, which you've all been to many times, you scroll down and you're going to see some code here. And you see how it says form action? You're going to take that. It's the first thing we're going to do. And just copy this. Just that URL there. Don't take form action or anything. Just the URL. That's it. Go up here and you go in where it says action and you right click and you paste it. Then the method, post, target, you could do on that page. In other words, when somebody fills out the form, they go directly self. I would do that. It's up to you. You can do new window if you want. And then give it a foreign name and just, you can call the form anything you want. You can call it George. Call it anything you want. This is the last thing you have to do is the hidden inputs. Don't worry, I've got them right here. Input, input, input. There's 3 of them. That's it. I put refer in here as leads lead because our system works with that. Okay, so copy. Remember, you don't have to create this. This is, you see the 3099, that'll be your number. So we're going to go up here. And we're going to just paste it in. Oh, that's it. The tough part's over. This whole thing, you don't need to do anything right now if you don't want. You can use this thing the way it is. You can save it. See how it says work saved? And you can preview it. If you want to see what it looks like, there's a full preview. So this is what your page is going to look like right now. So you can make all the changes you want. But if you look down here, if I get rid of this little RoboForm thing here, see how it says leads lead? If somebody goes down in this corner and clicks on this, they will sign up under you and leads lead. And that's my secret. And I'll show you a pop-up too, because you can put pop-ups on your site and have that little leads lead thing in there. So look at this. So if you have them fill out the form, they put in their name and their email, and you can change these things around. You don't need to have it a certain way. You can say, I want to, manage the page. I want this to go down here because you like name first. Up here, put that here. You can move this over here for now. Move that up. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just, whatever you want to do, move that around. Extremely, really nice to work with this kind of thing. You can change the, you can put a background around it. You can have fun in here. I spent a little time in here and had some fun. I'll show you another page I did too. But here's a neat thing. Okay, so when we're done all of this, we get rid of the preview. Okay, we're going to X out of that. The neat part now is you can get the code for the page to come up. Okay, so you can see, sorry, you don't even need the code. See right here where it says $1,000 easy. I'm going to click on that one. There's my link. So now as a Worldprofit member, you've created this page that works with your site. So we're going to go copy. Okay, so you have your page the way you want it, right? Go into our member area, scroll up on the website management and say new page, magic site grabber. Grab that. Enter this site name. I'm going to call this Leads Leap 2. Normally you give it a catchy name because it's going to be on one of your menus, but that's fine. Then we're going to put it in here and paste it. And grab the website. Finalize it. Now you can send people here. Leads Leap 2. Here's what it looks like on my site. Looks great. I've got my nav bar coming down. I got to make the page active. My mistake. Let me just go in here and just make sure we make it active. See how it says inactive? Okay. See how this is really cool about Leads Leap. It says activate this page, activate this page. So we're going to activate. We're going to calm down. I don't want to have a fit. Go in here and there we go. Okay, so we've got our page. And if somebody fills it in, I'm just going to put, George, Kosch, and then if I go EG44, it probably won't let me, but just to prove to you, this goes to Worldprofit. It says your account's already in there. Of course I am, because I'm the CEO. I've already got an account. Really neat. This can be changed. I've got another one here. I built this one, Leadsley. Here's another one, just to show you. I did this one, took a little bit more time. And it was just, again, forgive my design, but I grabbed a background. See how it says Leadsley here? Everything like that, all there, all cool. You can also use the landing page builder to pull these in, right? Because we have the magic site grabber also as one of the options in the landing page builder. But let's go on. Let's show you some other stuff that you can do. Now, remember, when I'm signing up associates doing this, they're coming in, but they're also able to sign up for Leadsley. And if an associate comes in, don't forget, when associates come into the member area, they can go into the goodie bag and click on these and sign up under you after you've put in your affiliate ID after you've signed up. Where do you put your affiliate ID in? No problem. You click right here, top traffic exchanges, put your affiliate ID in here just like me. I put George Kosch, add update, done deal. Anybody coming in here will come in through you. We will also be sending this video out that I'm doing to all associates with a direct link to sign up into Leadsley through the member area through you. Okay, so as a silver or platinum member, you're getting a lot of signups. Okay, so this is important. Go through and do this. Let's go back here to Leadsley, and I'm going to show you a pop-up generator. So if we click on Pop-up Manager, you can also create pop-ups where they give you a little line of code, and you can put it on your entire site at Worldprofit or under your landing page builder where there's a little code area. So I'm going to add a new campaign. Same as before. Call this George 2, for lack of a better word, and add a new form. We'll do a brand new one again. These guys are really cool. We go in here, launch the editor, and you can pick the way. I like these little corner block things. They look kind of cool. Then we're going to pick a template, and this one looks good. This one, I don't know. How about this one? It's got a picture in it. Is that one? So there we go. You can see it down here, and this is where it's going to show up. I could normally change all of this. I could change the image here. I could do all that. Remember, you can also use the PLR product vault to change, say, this image. Say you wanted to give away a PLR product vault thing. Okay, watch this. So you go in here, and it shows you this is where the image is from. Okay, you can pick different images if you want from them, but you can also put your own URL in. So you could do this. You can go over here to Freebies, PLR product vault, and you could create this as your popover. Okay, so say I wanted to use this one, leveraging ebooks and digital media. I could take this and just say copy the image address by right-clicking, go up in here and put it in here. Highlight that one, get rid of that one, and then right-click and paste. Okay, so now you see how it's come up in here? So that's the new image in there. You can change the color of these words to be red or something that you can see on there. And then you can change the title of the free report. Same as before, list manager, third party. I don't need to show you this again. You've already seen it. You can go in, you put your inputs in here. So you're doing one, post, self is fine. Give it a name, call it Irving or Bob or whatever, and then put those inputs in from website management. Here's the neat part. So if we save it, it would come up and everything would be fine, but just to save some time, I'm going to go over here to the one I've already done, and you can see it if you want. It looks just like this. Okay, so it says I took one of the PLR products. I said, get my free report, instant ideas. This is right out of the PLR product vault. It's already set for Worldprofit because I went in here, you know, in the third party. I set it all up. Got a few extra things in there, but that doesn't matter. You can add 30 sizes and things, it won't matter. Okay, so watch. Let's go here. Get code. All I have to do, oops, sorry, wrong one. Get code on the one that's working. Select other websites. There's the code right there. You copy that. So now you have the ability to go to our website management area again. go to the landing page builder for, I'm just going to use this as an example because you have pop-up code now. So my program, whatever I created this, you'll notice in all of our landing page builders that you have an area where you can actually post code, right? So you can update the page there, and let's see, I might have to put it on a different area of the tag. Let me see, actually I'll just show you the one that oh, that's because I'm having an error on the page. Say that we go to my main website, the affiliate center here, or I've done one here. And I just added this to the menu. So if you go to georgekosch.com and scroll around, change the settings on this one. Let me see, where does it show up? There it goes. So you see on my bottom right of on all the pages on my site, you can see it comes up. I prefer to do it so whatever page they go to, it'll come up. And that's probably why my landing page builder didn't work, because I have to take it off because it shows up everywhere on every site. So look at that, get my free report, instant ideas. They fill that out and they become a Worldprofit associate. But also at the same time, see where it says powered by Leadly? They click on that and they can sign up under me. Do you see how it says George Kosch right here? Done deal. So the money came in by me signing up associates under my silver. I have a silver account. And of course the monitors got the associates, but they signed up under me because of that other click. And I used my URL. That's why I like using the website management system to make sure that you bring anything and everything in through the magic site grabber. And of course, if you want, you can go into the landing page builder here too. And you can also do that through some of the landing page builders. I think they're down here in the magic list builder one right here. Affiliate lead grabber system. You can do that one. Magic site grabber grabs any website. So you can actually go in this one and do it too. This is fantastic. It works. I showed you the money. It really does work. If you have any problems or issues, either any level member you are, just fill out a support form and I'll help you out. It's a great company. We've partnered with them now. They've been in business for, well, since 2008. So it's really solid. I like their pages and everything, but I love the fact that they work transparently with Worldprofit. Like, talk about another source of income that works great. I've been doing it. I'm going to keep doing it. I love it. And again, I'm very happy with that. Okay, thank you.